challenge. This one is a level 8. We're doing it in JavaScript. It's called string cleaning. And as always, there's a link to the challenge in the show notes right below the video. Try it out before watching. If you get stuck, you've always got this to fall back on. So with that, let's get started. Your boss decided to save money by purchasing some cut rate optical character recognition software for scanning in the text of old novels to your database. At first, it seems to capture words okay, but you quickly notice that it throws a lot of numbers at random places in the text. Okay, so for example, this looks great. Okay, so I think it wants us to strip out the numbers, basically. Your harried coworkers are looking for you for solution, garbled text, and remove all of the numbers. Okay, this is actually going to use a regular expression. Let's see, JavaScript, regex, replace. Let's see what we get here. Okay, so we have a string, prototype, replace. Okay, so we'll do this. We're going to return the string. We're going to call replace. The pattern we're looking for is all digits, and we want to replace them with nothing. I think I need to add a G here for global. And I think I'm going to do a plus here, so multiple digits. So the plus means one or more digits. Regex is kind of its own thing. Regardless of what language you learn, you've got to, regex is something you've got to kind of learn. The nice thing is it transfers to other languages. So the regex that I use in JavaScript is the same that I use in Python. So anyways, we got this to work. You could also probably do like a for loop or something like that to just keep stripping out numbers and then return the resultant string. Great work, y'all.